waiting.
It's like we're in a movie.
Right.
This train traveled back in the 60s and the 50s and the 40s.
Travel that way.
You're holding up. You're holding up people.
Oh, that's the bedroom. Oh, wow, I got a shower and bathroom. The bed lets down.
And that's a queen.
Wow.
That's cool.
That's pretty neat.
Wow, see the bed? Bed and bedroom in the train.
Pretty awesome.
That's the way to travel.
Mm-hmm. Oh, bunk beds.
Wow, look at this, Julianne. 2 beds.
Yeah, you got your sink here, ice water. And
Wow. Let's go see another bedroom.
oh, you got to make up your bed. Okay.
Oh, this is like the one.
Yeah, it's another bedroom.
I knew a guy who was he worked for Kraft.
Pretty cool. I like this. Oh, okay. This is where the conductor is now. Yeah. That's the roomette. Oh, okay. Okay.
See more trains?
No. What are we doing?
You want to get out.
You gotta get going.
More trains.
Let's go see more trains.
No.
We're gonna go see merry-go-round?
Let's go see the merry-go-round.
No merry-go-round. I go train.
Oh, it's the air. Train. Feel this, you guys.
I want to see
It's
the
a air train. We'll see more bedrooms. We'll see more rooms, yeah.
I want to see bedroom.
Okay, let's go out.
I want to see bedroom.
Sweet, Janny. You can wait your turn.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is Amtrak here. This is the Pullman car, the sleeper car.
That's what you do.
Yeah.
That's a whole kit.
You can't lay down again because they're not our bedrooms, but we can look though. So you can look. I'm surprised they have no exits like that.
Jumping out. Watch this, brother.
And that's our tour on all the cars here. Okay. See you later.
Okay, you don't have to. Mama.
Hey there.